So today's gonna be a jolly good adventure. We got a couple runs in mind. It rained Friday, got probably an inch or so of rain. Made it up to Big Creek Saturday morning, and well, a couple guys complained it's too low. It's about 3 feet, so should be fine. I'm down for it. There's a crew of maybe 20 guys, maybe half a mile up the trail. Hopefully I can catch up to, but looking at that, looking at Dries, looking at the green on the way home, see what we get into. But I got some ground to cover. I'll find an eddy somewhere. Never been up this high. Usually put in at midnight hole. Not sure exactly where I'm going, but apparently it's good.
I'm gonna lose my mind, may not make it out this time. I'm choking on every breath. They tell you that life's not fair. Well, it's not heaven I'm looking for, but I can't take this mess no more. If the water keeps rising high, I won't make it out alive. In over my head, in over my head. I've been locked up, knocked down, pushed around, scared as hell. I might be till I'm dead. In over my head, in over my head. I can't breathe, can't see. I'm never gonna leave it. This hell that I'm living in. In over my head, in over my head. I've heard it all before, but can't see the light no more. This fear's
We made the call to jangle up here and do another one. Lap 2.
I'm supposed to soar to scream. Can't nobody wake me up from this dream. If the floodwaters don't recede, well, I swear they're gonna bury me. In over my head, in over my head. I've been locked up, knocked down, pushed around, scared as hell. I might be till I'm dead. In over my head, in over my head. I can't breathe, can't see. I'm never gonna leave it. This hell that I'm living in. In over my head, in over my head.
To the Dries! You should do it. All the kayaking.
Huh?
All the kayaking.
kayaking,
Come do all the kayaking.
Gave up, walked out the door. God, don't listen anymore. God, don't listen. God, don't listen. God, don't, oh my God. In over my head, in over my head. I've been locked up, knocked down, pushed around, scared as hell. I might be until I'm dead. In over
We spent all that time trying to get this paddle out, and then it snapped. Luckily, we're through all the big stuff, and I paddled C1 that I think I can get away with this. Or, because I don't have a key grip and I'm not heeling, I am gonna completely forget and whip a boot stroke.